Can you see all this smoke? That is ridiculous. I think I'm gonna drive around this neighborhood and see if I can find who's causing all this damn smoke and then kick their... Oh, never mind. Oh, lordy, lordy. All right, we are sanded up to 600, and I still got a buff. I might go up to 800. I don't do that often, but for some reason, I really, really want this to be shiny and beautiful. So I think I will go up to 800. I'm gonna turn around and do that. I thought I was done and ready to buff, and I'm not gonna buff till the end of the day because it's such a dirty job that I have to go right home and dump all my clothes in a laundry basket and then run naked through the house to the shower. And film at 11. See you in a little bit. Okay, just got back from mailing a knife, and I stopped and bought my emergency supplies, my cat treats. I gave her the last of the cat treats this morning. There's the empty. Filled up a couple of gas cans, and bought some emergency jalapenos. Now I'm fixing to stack some new water over here, and then go sit in the front porch and drink a Mountain Dew with my wife, and then probably gonna do something outside. All right, I got it sanded up pretty good bit. I got a whole bunch of stuff outside done. Gas cans filled, emergency backup jalapenos in the house. Took apart two hand clippers that my wife has, and cleaned them all up, got the rust off them, put new edges on them, and squared up the anvils, made them all flush, oiled them up, and did a little firework over there, right there. My wife is working in the yard, and I had 2 trailer loads of limbs. She loaded them, and I unloaded them on the fire. And I just do not want to do any outside work for a while. I don't know why. It's still 90 out. I mean, it's in the lower 90s, but I am sick of heat. You know, that fence down behind the house that I put up, that 530 feet of fence, that like to have killed me. And I need some time off after that. We got a little more fence work to do on the northeast side of our house, our land. I got to take some cattle panels down there and clean out behind them. And we're trying to make it clear for when the water comes rushing down through there, it doesn't tear the fence down. And that's not down here where I've been working. That's way over here. See this hill right up here? Well, there's a valley that goes down there, and there's cattle panels across it. And when the rain comes running down through there, anyway, it's really destructive. And we're trying to clean all the leaves and debris. Okay, enough of that. Oh, and I think you know why this is back in my shop. I painted it black, but I don't like it. So I thought I was done with this, and I'm not. This is going to be polished. The only place I'm not going to be able to polish is in here. And that'll be nice to have a little... I'm going to get some flat black, and I'm going to paint this inside here, but everything else is going to be polished. I'm close to having it that done anyway. All right, let me get my gloves on and my mask, and let's go shine this up. Here's a before, and here's an after. I hate touching this after I polish it, but what do you think of that? Let me put it up in the light so you can get that wood. All right, I'll touch it. Got all them little dings and nicks out. So you already got my fingerprints on it. Golly, I like that. That'd come out nice. Okay. This is for sale. Anybody wants it, let me know. In the meantime, I'm going to get my fingerprints back off of it and then wrap it up in the towel and carry it home and show it to my wife. That is it for me today. I don't know why, but I'm tired. Let's go to the house.